What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Dev coming to you with RC over Dose X Diecast Domination. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now, straight into the content. Nissan Diorama, guys. A long-awaited diorama because this one's made by Moreart and it was a pre-order about 2 months ago. Now, finally it's in my hands. Let's reveal what they have to offer. On top of that, guys, let's change the whole scenario and make a complete Nissan layout. I hope you enjoy the session. A lot more action to come. So hit that subscribe button and please don't forget to hit that like button because it gives me more oxygen, guys. Let's go!